Hey, I'm Fish. This is not the battle between the Xtra Atto and the DJI Osmo Nano. This is about how the camera or cameras work and what each one can do. So what we're going to do is show you the products. The Atto is in white only and the Nano is in black only. And we want to show you Timershooting and show you how it's set up. I'm starting out just showing you the brightness, how equal they are, and how one background seems brighter than the other. If we take our fingers and swipe down, we open up Timershooting by hitting. We need to go the extra step into the cog gear, scroll till we see Timershooting, and open up. We need to hit the switches on, and in here we have Timershooting, mode. When we click on it, we have video, time lapse, and in the time lapse, we could change it to hyperlapse. We'll leave it on video. If we scroll further down, we have start time, duration, and repeat. And we'll hit the start time. Extra color is in a turquoise and a beige, while the DJI is in a golden color. The cameras are military time. So we'll set this one up to 1110. And we'll set up the other camera to 1110. And click the check marks. And hit the X marks. They both show a clock. We simply come here and we turn off. As the camera came on, both and recording within a 30-second time, both screens in the off stage, as you see. We're going to run this test with the visionary docks connected. After a minute's time, the cameras will shut down and the time shooting will clear. As they clear, both cameras shut down and are on standby for up to X amount of hours, 8 hours on standby. We are now set up again for the cameras to come on with the Vision dock connected. The cameras will go on a standby, record, and shut down. The cameras come on, a countdown, and the cameras shut down and close out. This is the final test with the camera set in default in the Vision dock. Or else we would not see the actual footage that we see on the cameras. They can be disconnected during and stopped. And there we have our videos ready to go. We have one more scenario to go with. connecting the application, and locating timer shooting. This concludes the long, extensive test of timer shooting. Daylight savings time is on. We are in fall back. And in springtime, we go to fall forward. If for some reason your timer shooting does not work like the previous cameras, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, it taken DJI a longer time to fix the issue at hand to correct the 1 hour difference. I hope this video was helpful in some way on how to use timer shooting with the Xtra Atto and DJI Nano. And thank you for viewing.